I think we'll live here tonight.
Were you white knuckling it?
Dang, it just like it was windy, but then all of a sudden, like 3 miles ago, it just was like one of those one good gust, and it was just a crosswind. It was like one good gust, feels like it just tipped you right over.
Yeah.
Those big trucks, they just like barrel through it, and then of course they're going around you, and then it's putting you in this 18-wheeler vortex. Or we're getting blasted by tumbleweeds.
Yeah, so I think we will spend the night right here. This is just inside the Arizona line from New Mexico.
How awesome it is. We just pull over our house and live here.
Yeah, totally fine. I'm gonna work on a video, I think. You're probably gonna get yourself a drink after that drive.
Pistol, do you want a drink? She's like, what? What, y'all?
All right, we'll cozy up here. We'll see y'all in the morning. Well, it's still quite windy, but we made it down the freeway. We're actually in Gilbert-Ray Campground.
Where?
Gilbert-Ray. Gilbert-Ray Campground in Tucson. Gilbert-Ray Campground in Tucson Mountain Park. It's on the west side, kind of southwest side of Tucson, and we're camping with some friends. Actually, they just picked up an eco truck not too long ago, and they're cruising around, Roger and Jenny. So let's go meet up with them, and we're gonna go for a hike this morning.
What's the hike we're taking?
Brown Mountain Trail, I think it's called. I wanted to get up kind of high so I could look down because there's so many cactus here. It kind of looks like a cactus forest, so I kind of wanted to get up a little bit higher. But
Good morning.
good morning. There's Jenny.
I think it's about a 6-mile hike.
Yeah, and Pistol unfortunately can't go.
She's not happy.
The pamphlet says no dogs, so sadly she has to stay behind. She's not happy about that.
She's in the road trek jail.
Yeah.
Let me out.
All right, let's go meet up with them and get our hike on.
Get our hike on.
Jenny and Roger.
Good morning, Carrie.
Good morning.
We are. Is it the Brown Mountain Trail or
CB Brown.
CB Brown Mountain Trail?
Yes.
Okay. All right, let's hit it. We made it! Yay! Now, what time is it?
1:15. 2.5 hours.
I mean, it's apple pie
Beer
time.
time? Beer time.
Beer time first, then apple pie.
Hey everybody, we're gonna be on
Very
video.
uncommon.
Here we go.
Our party grew, so we're about ready to do the pie. Let's go around so I don't screw this up. Jenny, Roger, Mo, Joanne, Joe, Dave.
And then we have 2 more people.
And Pistol.
I know we have 2 more, but I don't. There's somewhere over
We're-
there. There's
we're-
another road truck
It's
here.
a big party.
Everybody here has a road truck.
Yeah.
It's like a big road truck convention.
Look at that.
My goodness, look at this.
I make no promises here.
It looks great.
It's a homemade pie in a campground.
It's
so-
rustic. That's what I'm calling
That's outrageous.
it.
All right.
Fabulous.
Cheers, everyone. Thanks for joining us.
Outstanding.
Woo! What a fun time we had. That was a lot of people to eat that apple pie.
I only got a little tiny piece.
I know. Here's what happened. I miscounted how many people were there, and so I thought we only needed 8 pieces, which is simple. And then we gave away over half of it, and I was like, wait, there's way too many people left for the amount of pie. So
It worked out.
next time I need to make 2 pies. That was so fun, though.
That was awesome.
There were 8 road tracks all in a row. Well, 4 on one
4
side.
in a
and
row,
like
and then
a few
was there
other-
8?
Well,
I saw 6.
4,
but
5, 6. Okay, 6, and then later one came in a different loop.
But there was
um,
4 in a row, us and 3 others
yeah,
in a row, and that was cool.
so fun to meet everybody, and everybody is so nice. That was a good time.
Yeah, so the campground was at Gilbert-Ray.
Yeah.
Gilbert-Ray Campground in the Tucson mountains, and we've never been there before. We pulled in. It was a weekday morning, and there was a lot of people waiting. And a woman came up to our door and took our license plate and our name and said, "We'll be next in line. Checkout's at 11. Go inside and they'll call your name." So basically, as you pull in, you get like a number,
Yeah.
and then as people check out, because there's no reservations.
No.
But it was good. I was kind of leery because then you wait to see how many people check out by 11, and whoever gets in gets in. And we had no problem getting in with Roger and Jenny, our friends that were with us.
Yeah.
But it was like Joshua Tree is crazy busy like that, but there's no one doing anything. It's
It's a free for all.
the wolves are circling and
Vulturing.
waiting for a tent stake to come out, and then they all pounce to see. And
I liked this a lot better.
This was really good.
And I
liked
thought it was going to be really crowded and noisy, and it wasn't. I mean, the sites were, of course, we were camping next to someone, with they were traveling with us, so.
Everyone we talked to really enjoyed the campground. All the people that we were hanging out with several of them said the same thing. They were kind of nervous about it, but they got in there and it's quiet and relaxing, and
Yeah,
it was
that
good.
hiking trail was cool too, and they had a lot more hiking trails. So that's the only one we did, but and we did not get back out on the bike, so we're just kind of chilled.
We did. It was pretty lazy, but we'd
Yeah.
driven
We've
so
been driving
much.
too much, and we're back on the road now. So we're heading west out of Tucson now. We are making our way back to Vegas now because both our boys are coming here in just a few days. So we're skedaddling up that way. Not sure what we got on the horizon up there. So for those of you that do know, we do have, or that don't know, we do have a condo there still. It's just been sitting because we're not ever there.
It was an investment
obviously.
property.
Yeah, it's an investment, and we're going back and prepping it to get it ready to sell. So that's our project in the next few weeks. So yeah, but we'll still be tooling around there for a little bit, and then we're going to be, I think, heading to the coast, California coast, and going north back into Oregon. So that's kind of a loose plan.
I like it.
Yeah, I like it.
She's happy.
She's happy. Wherever mom's lap is, she's happy. All right, we'll catch you guys down the road.
Carry on.
Carry on.